Three most often questions asked by our customers building bungalows, villas, farmhouse. Number one, there are too many alternatives available in the market with respect to wood interiors like PVC, WPC, engineered wood, solid wood. What do I choose and how do I choose the best? The answer lies here in the respect of the cost minimization. If you are looking for cost effective, then go for PVC, WPC or probably engineered wood as well. If you are looking for durability, then go for solid wood any day. Number two, do you have a dealer in Ahmedabad? So as of now, we are manufacturing and dispatching from our location in Gandhidham, Gujarat. However, we are looking for providing dealership opportunities to plywood retailers, sanitary retailers, to tier 1 cities like Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Bombay and many more. Number 3, is the material provided by you waterproof? It rains a lot in Bangalore. So we deal with more than 20 plus wood species, and there are certain wood species which are water resistant and useful for the exterior products like wood decking, wood cladding, and can be used for balconies, for swimming pools. These wood species are called IP wood from Brazil, thermo ash and thermo pine wood. So these can be used for the exterior purpose and are water resistant. So I hope to see you in my next video. This is Akash Bindal, owner of Reldor Lifestyles, your online timber lifestyle genie.